You know, here at PinkyTech, we eat our own dog food. And that's the term I use with my team at work. And if you guys haven't heard of it, it basically means that I'm not going to ask you to do anything that I personally wouldn't want to do. And that certainly applies when it comes to advice over on the PinkyTech Discord server. Whenever anyone asks when they should upgrade their PC, I usually tell them either when it stops doing what you want it to do, or doesn't do something that you need it to do. But when I saw this RX 7800 XT available for only $450, I decided it was time to move on from my RK 750. And while I'm at it, I need to take care of a few other things on my gaming PC. But before we get into that, a word from today's sponsor. If you're in the market for a pre-built gaming PC, head on over to PCBros.tech today. Their staple builds are designed to fit all your needs, from their budget office gamer PC featuring a 4th Gen i5 and an RX 6400, all the way up to their professional streamer PC with the Ryzen 5 7600 and RX 6700 XT. All staple builds come with a 1-year parts and labor warranty, free shipping, and of course, 4% off when you use the code PinkyTech4 at checkout. And that code actually works on custom builds and merch too, just in case you want something a little more custom, I guess. So head over to PCBros.tech today and use code PinkyTech4 to get 4% off your purchase. Now back to the show. Namely, there's two issues. The first one being is that the front fans, there's a bit of a gap between them and the panels, and that's because the Corsair 5000D airflow that I have actually supports front-mounted 140mm fans, and I have 120mm, so I went ahead and picked up a 3-pack of these Asia Horse fans so that we can kind of close that gap, make it look a little bit better aesthetically. And then also, speaking of aesthetics, I wanted to go ahead and add some cable extensions. Now, I'm not typically big on cable extensions, especially since my PSU already has sleeve cables, but I wanted to go ahead and add these Asia Horse cable extensions as well, just to kind of complete the look, make it more white going into the motherboard there, to kind of complete the look for a mostly white build anyway. And then before I get into any of that, kind of one thing I needed to bring up to you guys, and it's a bit of a confession. I've not been a good gaming PC owner. And what I mean by that? Well, take a look around. Things are absolutely filthy inside of the case there. You can see dust collecting on all the fans, and I do normally clean out my front dust filter, but I hadn't even done that in a while. So let's go ahead and get everything broken down. We're going to go ahead and clean up the fans, clean up the dust filters, all that good stuff. Probably reroute some of the cable management, add some thermal paste, and while I'm doing that, I'll tell you guys why I decided to eat my own dog food, and basically why I decided to upgrade my GPU at all. Alright, so there's really two main reasons why I decided to move away from my RK 750 and move to the 7800 XT. First and foremost, I really wanted to get a white graphics card, and with the RK 750, well, it's, you know, a good card, but trying to find one in white, I hadn't found one yet, and, well, you know, it wasn't really looking, to be honest. Oh my god, this is so disgusting. I'm sorry you guys are having to watch this, but really, it's just a PSA. Clean your PCs out every once in a while there. But all that being said, reason number two is really I wanted to step up in class of card. I've been looking to get a better GPU for a while, and mostly just for really video editing for these videos with the RK 750, and really even when I had a 3060. If I start doing a bunch of timelines and overlays and stuff like that, well, it starts to skip and the playback isn't very smooth, and, well, quite frankly, it just takes me longer to end up editing the video. So that's really it. Just wanted to do, you know, a white GPU and wanted to basically make it easier to edit videos. So that's it. I'm getting this thing finished cleaning up. I'll get it all reinstalled here, and then I'm going to hit you at the end with some benchmarks. And as always, guys, feel free to like and subscribe if you're liking this content. But check out these benchmarks. I think you'd be pretty impressed. Alright, so a bit of venting here is you can't actually fit 3 140mm fans on this, even though the
circles or holes, whatever here, are actually meant for 140 millimeters, but there's not enough clearance, and I did verify that with Corsair's site, which I probably should have done before I ordered the fans. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these fans, take them out, because theoretically you could put one here, and then 120 in the middle, but I think that looks a little janky. I'd rather just deal with the small gap that I could see before, because you can't see it from the front. So yeah, that's it, and good thing I cleaned those fans, and definitely didn't just throw them over in the corner still dirty or anything like that. So yeah, let me get those on, and then we'll continue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the